Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos on Android. If you're looking for a way to recover deleted photos, plenty of apps can help. Here's how it works. Install the app. Once you've found an app that promises to recover deleted photos, download and install it on your device. Run the app. Open up the app and follow its instructions, which will likely involve connecting your device to your computer via a USB cable or Wi-Fi and following some prompts to start scanning for missing files on your phone or tablet. Then, recover deleted photos from Android devices with ease. If all goes well, you should soon see all of those precious memories popping up in front of you, and they will be saved onto the same storage device where they were originally stored. So, if those pictures were taken with an SD card in one camera and transferred over USB cable into another camera before being sent off into oblivion by mistake during a factory reset, they should still be there as well. It's best practice not only because this way prevents any future issues but also because not all apps capable of recovering lost data are created equal. Some are better at recovering certain kinds of files than others. Some may even corrupt other types altogether, so making sure before investing in something expensive like this process. Now, perform a factory reset of your device. A factory reset is sometimes called a hard reset or master reset. It is used when you want to return your device to its original settings and erase all data from it. You can use this feature if you are selling or giving away your device or if it has stopped working properly due to software issues. However, this process will not only erase all data from your phone. It will also remove any apps that you installed after buying the device, including any photos. If you're using an Android device with Google Photos installed on it, such as an Android smartphone, there is an easy way to recover deleted photos after performing a factory reset. First, open the Google Photos app on your device. Then, tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner of your screen or your profile. And then, select Backup and Sync. Now, tap Manage Backup and then tap on the name of your device. Select an existing backup or create a new one. And last, select the photos you want to restore and tap Restore. Hopefully, at least one of these methods help you recover your deleted photos. It's important to remember that deleting doesn't always mean permanently deleting, so don't be afraid to give these methods a try. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.